Today you'll learn how to divide fractions using the keep, change, flip method. Fraction division asks how many groups fit inside another number. So 2/3 divided by 1/4 means how many 1/4 pieces fit inside 2/3. Now use the rule. First, keep the first fraction the same. Second, change the division sign to multiplication. Third, flip the second fraction by finding its reciprocal. A reciprocal switches the numerator and denominator, so the reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1. Start with 2/3 divided by 1/4. Keep 2/3. Change 2/3 times 1/4. Now flip only the second fraction, 2/3 times 4/1. Next, multiply the numerators. 2 times 4 equals 8. Then multiply the denominators. 3 times 1 equals 3. Your answer is 8/3, which is already simplified. Remember the checklist. Keep, change, flip, multiply, simplify.